What's up everyone? Welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I am going to show you an awesome C7 mod that is very effective actually, and is actually very fast and easy to install. And as you see, I have my ACS composite shirt on again. Yes, we're doing another ACS composite install. If you saw my last video, you saw that they sent me a couple of items. I didn't show you what the other item was, but I'm about to show you right now. Before I show you that though, I want to let you know that if you saw my latest C8 video, you'd have seen that I have a Brink of Speed online store coming your way. And you're going to be able to buy my merchandise, which I will show in this video what the white shirt and the black shirt looks like, but you're going to be able to get all sorts of colors on this online store. Anyway, as soon as that goes live, I will let everyone know, and then you can just go right on there and purchase whatever you want to buy, and it'll be a very seamless, easy process. So I wanted to give you that update real quick. I am going to reverse or turn this camera around. We're going to go over here and look at what ACS sent us. Actually going to bring this box back over here, and I've already obviously opened it up and put it outside of its wrapper. So as you guys can see, that is a rear rock guard, and they're extra large rock guards. And again guys, I will link everything down in the description so you guys can see exactly where to grab these from off of ACS website. So here's one more thing that I'm going to let you know. These are super fast and easy to install. However, my friend Mark wanted me to come over and use his lift. So we're going to do it just to do it. It's going to, you know, it's going to be obviously overkill for what we're doing, but it'll be kind of neat. I can give you guys a little bit better view of what we're doing and show you guys exactly how to install these things and how good they look. So let's go for a ride. So I'm driving over to my buddy's house, and look how close he lives. That's him with his 1978 and his, I think it's a 2017 Stingray. There's Mark right there, and there's the lift. So first of all guys, you got to check out his 1978 Stingray. It's the official pace car version.
Yeah, it's the official pace car.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
They made one for each dealer back in 1978. So they made 6,502 of them, and this one went to a dealer in Missouri.
Awesome.
Yeah, so I've had it. It's been a challenge to keep it up for sure. It's only on its second set of tires. It's only got 40,000 miles on it.
How many miles were on it when you bought it?
32. And I bought it 25 years ago.
So
and
you've
I
only put
10,000 miles on it in 25 years. Yep. It's in good shape.
And then this is a 17?
That's a 16.
16, okay.
Convertible.
16 convertible, beautiful.
LT.
What is it?
It's a 3LT, yeah.
3LT Stingray.
It's got these factory lips on it too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, which is
so they're not extra large, but they are large rock guards.
Yeah, these are just they're not as nice as those ACS ones. Back ones are really nice on your car. These are kind of just the GM ones, the GM dealer issued ones.
But see, mine didn't even come with that.
Yeah, yep.
So I mean, that's
yeah. No, the ACS ones are nice.
So guys, we were able to get this on the lift. We had to, as you can see, put some wood blocks down because the front splitter was way too low. But it's on there, and now we're gonna go ahead and start installing these rear extra large rock guards that ACS sent over. So that's what we will be putting on the back.
You ready to go up?
All right, we're gonna send it up.
Now it's resting on the pins and not resting on the hydraulics.
Sweet.
Yep.
All right, so
anywhere. You can stand on this, you can
oh yeah.
around, it's not going anywhere.
He's braver than me, guys. So this is pretty simple. We just have to unscrew this one screw on each side, and this stock part just pops right out. You'll see I can already start taking it out, but I'm gonna unscrew that, and then we'll pop it out and put the new one in. So guys, this is the stock. Obviously there is no rock guarding at all with this thing. And this thing can fit inside of this new rock guard from ACS Composite. So this thing is gonna block a lot of rocks right here with this, and a lot of rocks with this. When you look at the underside or the back side of it, this is where all the rocks will hit, right here. And then this little lip down here will keep rocks from flying out back here and hitting this underside here. All right, so guys, there's this metal hat that you have to take off the stock guard, and that's what it looks like on the inside. The outside, you gotta pop this thing off and put this on the new rock guard, and that way the screw has somewhere to go into to cinch this up. So this is a pretty simple process. You just have to insert this back in through there, and then line up each of these clips. And once you line them up, you just shove it in.
It just snaps in like that.
Yeah, it just snaps in. So it's all in here. And then we have to go back under here and put the one screw back right here. So I got the screw back in, just tightening it up, and it should cinch that down really good. You don't have to tighten it too tight. It's definitely in there. So since my car's up on a lift, I'm gonna go ahead and look underneath it here. Just check everything out.
Looks clean.
It does.
Not a scratch on the undersurface at all.
It looks absolutely perfect.
Next time you need some work done on it, bring it over.
Yeah.
Or oil change or whatever.
All right, we're gonna bring her down. So as you can see, guys, these things look amazing. I thought that they were gonna butt up perfectly with those fascia extenders, but they really don't. This side does a little better.
Yeah,
they add a nice touch to the rear end, just like the front ones. So I want to thank my buddy Mark for helping me out here with his really awesome lift. One of these days, maybe we can do some videos on your car.
Yeah, well, there's a lot to repair on that car.
We need to do a video of you driving my car too.
Sure.
Because you've never driven a Z06, right?
No, I've never driven a Z06 at all. It'd be great.
That'd
Never
be
driven
awesome.
a coupe, actually. I've always had the convertibles.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'd love to do.
So we'll do a video like that.
See, how many horsepower's on this?
650.
And how many horsepower's on this one?
160.
220.
Oh, is it
An L82, 220.
Oh, okay. It's
so,
okay.
So it's
Which
about
year-
1/3 the horsepower of this.
Which year was it that it only came with like 165 horsepower?
76. It was the low year. It was like 179 or 180 horsepower.
Some guy tried to do a burnout at Carlisle with that
A
car.
lot of water and a lot of
He did.
slippery
He
surfaces.
had lots of water, but he had lots of clutch burn. Yeah. Clutch problem. It doesn't have enough horsepower. He literally burnt his clutch completely out.
That's not what that car was for.
No, not at all. But I want to thank ACS Composite, Jonathan and Joseph, for sending me the extra large rock guards and everything else that they've sent me. It really adds to the look of this beautiful Z06. So that's going to do it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and give me, let me get out of the sun. Make sure and give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not joined the Brink of Speed community, make sure and hit the red subscribe and bell notification so that you're notified when my new content comes out. Thank you again for ACS sponsoring this video, and I hope to see you guys out on the road.